Hi guys, welcome back to another English grammar exercise. The young man was killed blank, a criminal blank or knife. The young man was killed by a criminal with knife. Blank advising me, he gave me money. So what's the right answer? Besides, besides advising me. So he is doing something with that. He is doing something else also. Besides advising me, we use besides advising me. He is also doing something. He gave me money as well. George is good blank economics in at in into. George is good at economics at something. We must protect blank injustice. Protest, you do protest when you are doing something against something. We must protest against what? Against injustice. Something wrong. So we use here against. We must protest against injustice. His wife died blank cancer. Off from to off. Off. Of cancer. The dog is faithful blank his master. What's the right answer? Add into two in two. Two is the right answer. Distribute the apple blank the children. You are dividing something between the children. So when you are dividing something, you use among. James borrowed $1,000 blank him. So what's the right answer? From. From him is the right answer. He gazed blank them. Gazed means looking at something. Looking at, gazed at. So, gazed at is the right answer. What is time blank your watch? By your watch is the right answer. By means according to your watch. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for